So we're in our room here at the Scots Hotel in Tiberias. So very nice corner room here and nice views. You can see the Sea of Galilee down there.
But we are going to cross the Sea of Galilee in a boat, and apparently they discovered an ancient boat at the bottom of the sea, and they feel it potentially is one that Jesus crossed the Sea of Galilee in.
Yeah, it's called the Jesus boat, so we're going to see that. So you're a little more boho
today. So I'm
today.
boho today, and I have my eyes.
Oh, your evil eye thing.
Are looking at you today.
You're always so coordinated. It's unbelievable.
These are pretty cute.
Those are cute shoes. I really like those.
Oh.
Judy's got a bum knee, so she's got to tone down her shoe game a little bit for the trip, but those are still really cute.
Mr. Cute. Yeah.
So we're going to head down to breakfast. We had a beautiful dinner last night here.
Yeah, it was lovely.
They
Food
have
was
an
delicious.
amazing buffet. I normally do not like buffets, and
it was really good.
I don't get my money's worth because I can't eat enough to. But wow, it was so good. We just hung out on the deck out there and had a drink.
Really
it was really, really nice. We never made it to this bar last night.
No, we didn't find it.
Morning.
This is breakfast.
Oh, this is breakfast. Oh, okay.
Should we go right in here?
Yeah, might as well.
That was coincidental. Good morning. Is this breakfast 410?
No, 410.
410. Thank you. There's tables outside. In here?
Oh, you know, wherever you want, it's fine. This is good. Have a look at it in the daylight here, and beautiful place. This is the old historic building. It was a French hospital, apparently. And then, kind of like at the other hotel, where there's a contemporary building that most of the hotel rooms are in. This is a lovely spot here. This is where we hung out last night. It was just so nice. I didn't notice that bridge over there. We'll have to walk over that real quick. Oh, look at that. See the honeycomb over here? Honeycomb. Look at that. There's some sand. Can't go wrong with sand. Oh, yeah.
Try a little bit.
Try a little, yeah, have some of it.
Fresh orange juice. Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Okay, looks like a great breakfast.
Yes, beautiful.
Top off the
Kickstart the day.
kickstart the day there, exactly. Nothing like fresh squeezed orange juice.
And they have the best Jaffa oranges in this area. They're like sweet and very nice. Climbing up with my knees sometimes catches.
Yeah.
Sure, can you get one back there?
Like we're not gonna starve, you know.
Yeah, we used to hunt a lot, the two of us. Yes, we did.
Have you got any bear down?
No, my brother was really far north, and he had bears come to the home. He woke up one morning and he was hiding out the window. He said he doesn't know who got more frightened, the bear or him.
The bear is on it.
Yeah.
But they never know when they're gonna exist.
No, you don't.
Especially the female mama.
Yeah. They're very big and they're fast. People don't realize how
They're
fast.
very fast. The bear is,
Yes.
you don't want to.
No.
Didn't they say they went to the wilderness?
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Used to wear.
Make sure you grab all your
We walked across those boulders. They were This is pretty cool.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to prove it by we're on the Sea of Galilee. You're gonna walk on the water to prove it.
I'll show you in a bit.
So I thought those were little vodka bottles. But what are they?
I think it's holy water from the Sea
Yeah, I
of
think it
Galilee.
is. Yeah.
It's holy water.
I thought it was vodka. I really
He thought
did.
it was vodka. Only in your mind.
Right.
He does.
So two of these here, and three of those, yeah. Thank you so much. Do you want a couple of those stones, or like, take a look at it? That's kind of neat one. Yeah, that's always a mistake, isn't it?
I knew that she gonna choose. This is the most, it's the authentic. This is from the Sea of Galilee.
Yeah.
And this is for Christmas, a nice present.
Yeah, right.
It's not very expensive.
Right, it is. Perfect. Exactly. We get. Okay, so we're here by the Sea of Galilee,
And you know the story about the Sea of Galilee.
Yeah.
Where Jesus had all of his disciples in the boat and he approached the boat by walking on the water.
Okay, right.
Then Peter jumped out of the boat to greet Jesus, but he only walked on water for a short period of time and then he sank.
Right,
But I
right.
can walk.
Okay, so Judy has told us she can actually walk
I
on
can
water.
walk on water.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Want to see?
Go ahead. Oh, come on. Oh.
Ta-da!
Fixes on the side. We basically took whatever wood was available and fixed it whatever that was falling apart. But the world that has
The boat was discovered by two kibbutz members back in '86, and they called everybody in to help excavate it. They had some marine archaeologists working on it. We saw a documentary on it before we left, and it was unbelievable. Then they figured out how to move it, and they were spraying water on it to keep it from decomposing, and then they sprayed that foam like insulation stuff all over it and inside of it to be able to move it. It was a brilliant idea.
$50
It's not too bad.
at $12 or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Nada, señor. Venga, ¿pura tarjeta o efectivo?